停車いたします。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Hitachi Limited Express bound for Iwaki. We will be stopping at Mito, Katsuta, Omika, Hitachi Kaga, Hitachi, Takahagi, Nakoso, Izumi, and Yumoto. Passengers without a seat reservation or limited express ticket may sit in seats displaying a red line. However, even though the seat is currently vacant, it may have been reserved for a later part of the journey by another passenger. If so, the seat now